So today I'm going to talk about intro for workout with tech. So before I start talking about a topic, let me quickly introduce myself. I was born and raised in Yamagata, Japan, and I lived in the Philippines and Australia for a few years. And I have 10 years of experience playing golf since I was 10. And I like working out. I started workout habitually since I was 20. So now I normally go to gym 5 times a week. So as I mentioned in the previous slide, I have been working out for 5 years, and when I just started, there was not much information about fitness on social media or YouTube videos like we can find many of them in these days. So I had to spend a lot of my time to find out what kind of working out style and diet worked for me best. As much as I like working out, I also like sharing my knowledge with my friends and people around me. As I started learning to code here, I started thinking that I think I should use my passion and skills that I'm learning here right now to create something to support who want to start working out. So this is the reason I choose this topic to talk about today. These days, there are a lot of apps that can support people to work out effectively. I would like to explain what the current available app right now can do. So there are a lot of fitness app which is similar functions, which has similar functions. So I listed up some of important facts that can support people in fitness with effective way. First, barcode reader or camera scanner for counting food. Why is this important? Because when people try to lose or gain weight, then calorie intake is the most important fact. So even some people say apps made in the kitchen. Multiple nutrients clearly. We try to be healthy. Calorie intake is the only thing it's not the only thing you need to care about. Some of apps can also track your nutrition too. And timer counter. When you work out, this timer counter can help you track with your interval between sets and reps. And so menu guide. So this can help you manage your workout program. And a workout doesn't mean you just have to exhaust yourself. There are many fitness methods to achieve your fitness goals. So not just work harder and work smarter. And lastly, social media. This is not just a fitness app, but by looking at others' success and can help you stay motivated. So here's a comparison of what apps can do and what to need to work out effectively. Most of things can be done by apps like stay motivated and manage your diet, learning training method. But checking form can be done by only personal trainer. So what they normally help you with? Managing your diet, keeping yourself motivated, and manage your workout menu. Of course, a personal trainer can do that, but it's pretty expensive and it's not easy to start here in Tokyo. It costs about 5,000 yen to 10,000 yen per hour. That is expensive, right? This made me thinking, can all of them be done by a mobile app? So to do that with mobile app, I'd like to introduce motion capture. To give you better ideas of what motion capture is, let's take an example. Avatar. So on the right picture, motion capture. And in this picture, motion capture tracks bone structure, and a virtual CZ character will be created by following the bone movement. And on the picture, the bottom one, so this is a golf. As you can see in the picture, you can check your swing more clearly than you see in your eyes. So how this work? Do you know what triangulation measurement is? This is a method to figure out where something is located. So imagine you have cameras at point of A and B, and the distance between A and B doesn't change. So you can get the distance by calculating with the angle that you get from the lines from A and B to the tree, which is the target. I know this might be a little bit confusing, so let's try with your eyes and finger. Um, your eyes are the cameras, and a finger is the tree. And put your finger far away from your eyes, then try to see it with your left eye and right eye. Did you notice the position of your finger changed a bit? Remember the distance, the finger, and move. Um, right. Now put your finger closer to your eyes, and then I'll do the same thing. So this time the distance will be shorter. That's how triangulation measurement works to figure out where the object is located. When you apply to this human body, do you want to put some markers on the body so that the cameras can detect the marker, then it can figure out the body shape and track. So here's how the camera works. Camera uses infrared light and also catches the reflection. That's how cameras find where the markers are. With this technology, you need to have multiple cameras and markers set up. But you don't want to walk into the gym with all of this stuff, right? But this actually can be done by mobile phone, of course, without those fancy markers. So here, I'm introducing AirKit as an example to use motion capture on mobile. It's one of developer tools from Apple to create AR applications released in 2017 and works on the iOS later than version 11. What is the great thing about this is that this can also work with some single camera. How does this work? It uses machine learning to capture motion by calculating the data from your phone, such as a gyroscope, an accelerometer, and a camera. On the right picture, this is made by an iPhone, and you can see where the joints are. So now we know we can do with motion capture mobile. Let's take a look at how this can be helpful to use in fitness. So to find a proper form, what this can do, first you can create our own character as you can see it in the left photo. This is 3D model. So if you film yourself while working out and watch it after, this can be more easy to understand how your body is moving while working out than watching just a normal video. And on the right picture, you can see angles on his joints. And this is actually not made by motion capture, but good example to show how trainers analyze workout from and explain it to others. Since we know that the motion capture can do on the mobile, this also can be done by mobile app too, right? So here's another example to show how this can be useful to analyze workout form. In both picture, top and bottom, this is doing bench press and but with different form. So the top one is doing with narrow grip, and the bottom one is doing with wider grip. As you can tell by the angle on his elbows, What the difference between these two form makes is where the target muscle groups are. With the top one, he gets more weight resistance on his triceps. But with the bottom one, he gets more on his chest. So even if the same exercise, but with the different forms, target muscle is also different. And also with wrong form, it can cause an injury while working out. But this could be dictated by your form so that you can work out safely and also effectively. And this is pretty much the same thing what the personal trainer can do. So in conclusion, I think this technology in the future could be better than human trainer. And here are two reasons why. First one, since it's used on mobile, that means it makes easier to use more people to use the app. And then so more people means more data. So we could find better form or better training methods. The second one is human bodies are not always even. Example, if you have one of your arms slightly longer than the other, um, you should not just try to copy a form from some ideal form in general. Everyone's different, so form also should be different, right? But the technologies could give you your personalized form. With these two reasons, I think this could be better trainer than human. And hopefully more people can enjoy working out and be healthy. So that is all for intro for workout with tech. Thank you.